My name is Colleen Smith. My case number is 2031-DR00572-01. CPS cleared me as a fit and qualified parent. That did not stop the system from kidnapping my children. Their father used a silver bullet technique with the police, Officer Alan Campbell of Mount Vernon, Missouri, and Detective Matt Sloan of Nixa, Missouri. Matt Sloan did not speak to CPS, the children's school, or me. He did not do a family assessment. Instead, he took my children to the Children's Advocacy Center in Springfield, Missouri, where they also did not do a family assessment, and blatantly ignored statements made by my child about my co-parent's girlfriend, not me. Judge Bacon from Ozark, Missouri, then used that report to issue a no-contact order. The guardian ad litem, Carol Hutchison, then used that order to motion our custody Commissioner Lukachik of Springfield, Missouri, to remove my rights to from my children completely with an emergency temporary order, all without due process of law or even a hearing. Kelly Anderson, a prosecutor from Ozark, Missouri, did not give body cam footage that would have proven my co-parent lied on the stand during my preliminary trial. He also asked that prosecutor to put me into prison. I was lied to by Carol Hutchison, believing if I settled on SIS misdemeanor Alford pleas, I would go back to 50-50 custody. Otherwise, it would have been another 6 months minimum to see my children again. It had already been a year. Instead, I received reunification therapy, where Carol Martin from Branson, Missouri, violated my First Amendment rights and allowed the guardian ad litem to dictate and railroad the entire situation. Cindy Grace is the children's therapist from Aurora, Missouri. She treated the children as if I was guilty the entire time. Dee Dee Carson, a manager of the previous two therapists mentioned, claims she has no responsibility to intervene because she just simply hires contract therapists to work for her counseling and life coach business. The purpose of this video is to publicly shame those mentioned and expose corruption, demand accountability, and to seek justice for my children and all the other families involved with these criminals. My children are currently being tortured, of which I do not have time to in this video to discuss. I also do not think it's appropriate to share how this criminal behavior has affected me and my children, because I will not allow evil to relish in what they have done. If you believe our children and us parents are fine, then you would have allowed millions of people to burn in the ovens of Nazi Germany. Because make no mistake, this is exactly the same thing. That is why I make this call for accountability and demand an investigation into the criminal activity taking place in family court. Family court and all those surrounding the process are not following the Constitution. They are trafficking our children, and you need to stand up and fight. This is a call to arms. Fight for our children, because your life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness will be the next on their list. I encourage you to share this video, to contact your authorities, protest, and stand up for the afflicted. My name is Colleen Smith, and I am a victim of family court fraud, and I demand an investigation.